Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. If you ever smell something really stink in your house inside and you check everywhere but you just cannot find the scent, something smell like an old shoe, old stinking socks. Yeah, you know how those things smell. And you search up the whole house but you cannot find it. This is somewhere where you can check. Behind your fridge. Yeah. Look, this area here. Yeah. That's the culprit. That is where the stinking scent is coming from. It does be some water settling. So I believe that is where the scent is coming from. So just, in case you have that scent and you cannot find it, just check behind your fridge, okay?
Okay, one more to go. Oh boy, this fridge, behind this fridge needs cleaning.
So yeah, see the water. This is the water catchment area. So all here we have water, and that is where the stinking scent is coming from. So how am I going to get this out? Okay, I'm gonna try the vacuum. Yes, I'm just gonna choose some water to help get rid of the old dirty water. Yeah, something so. Give it a wash out. Yeah, so right now I'm drying it out just a little bit. I think this is enough. So it is always good, and I'm urging you that it is good to inspect the back of your fridge because it does have lots of dust between the motor and also I can't remember the name for this coil here, but the condenser, something so. Yeah, it's always good to check behind the fridge because it does have a lot of dust in it, and it's good to clean it out probably once a year, twice a year, okay? Yes, if you notice, lots of dust behind the motor area. And condenser, I think it's the condenser. I can read lots of dust. You need a small tube to, like a small vacuum hose to go between here and take out all the dust. just remember when you're doing this, make sure try and don't damage nothing. Just try and don't damage nothing. So yeah, it's the scent, the stinking scent that I was smelling. It's gone. So I can just plug back up my fridge and go again. I'm going to take off all the dust off camera. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy and hope you clean your fridge as well.